What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I've got the Pixel 9 Pro XL and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, share with you guys my first impressions and thoughts. I didn't check this out at my local Best Buy, or I didn't go to any carrier stores yet to check it out. This is just, and that's what I do. I like to share with you guys what I think about it on video. So I got the 128 gig model Hazel, and yeah, 128 gigs I think is a little bit, it shouldn't be a thing, at least for smartphones. It shouldn't be a thing like the base storage, $10.99 for this. I also do have Pixel 9 in winter green. Definitely check out that video too. But yeah, let's get right into this. So if you, whatever color you get, you're gonna get covering just like that too. So I got the Hazel, which I think was really nice. I also kind of wanted to get the pinkish color, but I was like, you know what, I'll let that be for now. Maybe check that out later. Or you can go with like the matte black. Again, since I haven't seen it in person, I couldn't really choose like which one I really wanted, but I thought Hazel was gonna be the best choice. Now, here's what I'm kind of second guessing on, should I have picked up the smaller Pixel 9 Pro? Because now you're getting, Google's offering a Pro without having a larger size. And I got the Pro XL because I truly think it's the successor to the 8 Pro. So let's first pull this out. You get the silhouette of the 9 Pro XL right here. Right here, before we get to the, ooh, that's looking clean. We get right here all of the paperwork. Obviously, we gotta check out the stuff. Pixel/support, SIM ejector tool. Got a bunch of those. So let's put that aside. Let's pick this up. Ooh, this is a large phone. This is very large. Then we got the USB-C to C cable. So let's put that aside too. We got our little Charizard right here for kind of support. So yeah, check out my Dose of Pokemon channel too if you haven't already, where I unbox Pokemon cards and talk about Pokemon collecting and all that good stuff. I'm still getting the channel going, but yeah, I'm getting my way to 1,000 subscribers. But nonetheless, there we go. I'm just gonna, there we go. With my last Pixel 9, I kind of ripped it open, but this we can just kind of pull it out just like that. And wow, that is clean. That is clean. It has this matte gray finish. This is a super premium, feels much more premium than the predecessor. I'm gonna show that on screen in a moment. The camera visor isn't built into the sides anymore. And look at this, it's not a matte finish, it's a glossy finish on the sides. USB-C, SIM ejector tool, speakers right here. We got the volume button and the power button. We got ultrasonic fingerprint sensor right here in the display. We're gonna check that out too, but I'm super excited to try this. Maybe I might pick up the smaller Pro, return this, get the smaller Pro. I don't know, we'll see. But before that turns on, and I'm gonna set that up real quick. I'm just doing the initial setup. Not gonna port over everything, but I'm going to bring in the past 4 generations of Pixel phones. So there's the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's put that aside right there real quick. There's the Pixel 8 Pro, Pixel 7 Pro, and then the Pixel 6 Pro. So there's 4 generations worth of Pixel Pros. And yeah, you can definitely see the upgrades year over year, but I think between these 4, the biggest is the 8 Pro to the 9 Pro. So we're gonna have separate videos talking about all of these devices, comparisons 8 Pro versus 9 Pro, maybe comparisons between the last 4 years, but let's get this set up. And also, if you just want to see a quick comparison between the 8 or the Pixel 9 and the 9 Pro XL, there's that. But yeah, let's get this set up and I'll be right back. All right, so we got the initial setup. Look at that. And looks like my SIM is going to slowly be coming out from the Z Fold 6 to the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL. So taking a look at that, the display, and I'm gonna just bring the brightness down, peak brightness of 3,000 nits. So this is gonna get really bright, especially outdoors. But yeah, if you can see from the screen, it's actually kind of annoying. So I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit. Very thin bezels. In fact, bringing in the smaller Pixel 9, I think it has thinner bezels, but they're symmetrical. The camera cut out the hole punch, a little bit larger when compared to other phones, but that's okay. I actually like this design and size of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. I don't know if I'll switch to smaller. We're gonna have to wait and see. But yeah, this is super, super clean. Love the flat display. I just love this design. It feels so comfortable and premium. It's so much more premium than the predecessor. And I love this hazel, this gray color. Now you can go with the matte black, a porcelain. You can go with like the lighter pinkish color. But I think this is a really nice pro color that you can also go with. Yeah, so this comes with 16 gigs of RAM, Tensor G4, and surprisingly, and I'm saying surprisingly because this is a first for Pixels, Android 14, it didn't ship with the latest Android 15. Normally, when they showcase their latest product, their latest Pixel device, they'll have it release with the latest Android update, and that would have been Android 15, but they unveiled this a little bit earlier, August instead of October, and they don't have Android 15 on board on this, so that's a little weird, but it's okay. Once that does release, we're gonna get Android 15 on here, and then we'll be able to check it out and all that good stuff. But in the meantime, we got Android 14. I'm really excited to try the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It's gonna be much more reliable, much faster. 16 gigs of RAM is also a huge plus, and I think the reason why there's more gigs of RAM is to help with Gemini and all that AI stuff. But 120 gigs of storage, I don't know how I feel about that because I'm already using up a lot of storage and this may not be enough. So we're gonna have to wait and see. But yeah, I love this display already. It's looking super clean. It feels very, very fluid. I gotta tell you that. Let's bring this calculator right here for a sec. Oops, it didn't bring it. You know what? Nope, I don't like that. There we go. Let's move that over there. Did not move. Let's try that one more time. There we go. Oh yeah, this feels super fluid and super smooth. But yeah, I'll be leaving links in the description down below, the Pixel 9 Pro XL if you want to check it out. I think this is looking very promising. I think this is going to be the flagship. It's up there. It may be up there with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Again, I have to really try it out and put it to the test. But up until now, Pixel or Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has been like the all-around best smartphone for me, at least, that is great in every single department. So we're gonna have to try it out, and most importantly, I want to try out the battery life, see how well it performs, and also charging speeds. It shouldn't be super duper slow, but it could be fast too. But if it's anything like the Z Fold 6 Ultra speeds and slow, yeah, we're gonna have a problem. But I also want to check out the battery life too and how well it lasts. I'm sure cameras are gonna perform great. The software is gonna be great, Pixel UI. And if I do ever say something like stock Android, it's just weird. I'm so used to seeing stock Android with past devices before the Pixel, and once Pixel came out, it started becoming more Pixel UI. So yeah, I like this look. I like this look. So check out my TikTok too, because I'm going to be putting up videos there too. They're going to be shorter form content videos where I talk about maybe one or two things about the Pixel, whereas these types of videos you see here on YouTube, it's bringing all my thoughts about the latest devices. I hope you guys did enjoy. Definitely be sure to check out links in the description down below for the products I use, the digital products I also have, like my latest wallpaper pack, and all the other good stuff I have right here. My ring that you can check out in the description down below. Ultra Human, love this ring. If you did enjoy, and I'm gonna be hopefully be picking up Pixel 3 in the larger size. I haven't ordered it yet, and I'm still debating if I should, and I may trade in my Pixel 2, we'll see, Pixel Watch 2. But I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to Superman the subscribe button. Comment down below and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot, and it will help push my content out to more people. Hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.